Hi. So, we are cooking today for for the Noche Buena. Today is December 23 and I am alone in the apartment, I think. I will spend my Christmas here. I decided to, since it will be my first time away from Bicol, well, away from my family for Christmas, I will cook things that will more or less remind me of home. So, we will cook 4 dishes. Yung isa, tatapusin natin tonight. Tapos, yung tatlo, gagawin natin bukas. So, we'll make maha blanca, fried chicken, lumpiang Shanghai, and then the classic spaghetti. I haven't had any pasta na ginawa ko here in Norway. So, let's do it. Ang main event natin for tonight ay yung maha blanca. So, ang ingredients nun, kunin ko muna yung kodigo. 1 cup cornstarch, 1 cup white sugar, dry, mixed sa pan. Okay, so meron akong measuring cup. Nagawa ko na to before, pero hindi ko siya na perfect on my own. Ginawa ko to nung high school, pero hindi siya na-appreciate ng mga kaklase ko. Kasi fail. Nandun yung lasa niya, pero hindi siya nag-form. So, this is the cornstarch. Medyo mahal yung cornstarch ng Norway. Hindi siya common. Kasi marami silang types ng... Yes, marami silang types ng flour. So, 1 cup cornstarch. Ano pala ngayon? 10 p.m. ng December 23. Ganito lang ba kadami? Kakonti. 1 cup ng sugar. Grabe, ang tamis. Hindi ko pupunuin. For Christmas, okay lang yan. Tapos daw, haluin. Lumilipad yung cornstarch. Hi! Dadagdagan ko ng cornstarch na kaunti. Na 1 kutsara. Para lang yung mga lumilipad makakompensate. So, ilalagay ko yung gata para matunaw itong mixture. Pag mix na, saka mo buksan ng apoy. So, what I have, so walang fresh na gata dito. Meron akong, ano ba sabi? Ay, dapat ganito. Kati. Lasa dun, amoy coconutty naman siya. So, kailangan ng 3 ganito. I think okay na tong dalawa. Another one. Second. Medyo matubig yung ilalim. Ilagay. Sayang. Isasama ko na. So, 3.5. Next step sa maha blanca. Ako, majujuday ako. Ang daming nangyayari. Haluin lang hanggang ma-dissolve yung cornstarch. Kapag ito fail, at least may documentation ako ng kung what went wrong. Wala akong whisk. Nakahanap ako ng whisk sa gamit ng imbiyerno kong roommate. Ay! Visit siya. Okay. So, since wala naman siya ngayon, gamitin muna natin ito. Amoy siyang ulam. Next, before I turn on the fire, so yung corn, lahat naman sila easy open. So, which is good. Kailangan ko siyang i-drain. Dapat, hindi siya ganito. Supposedly, dapat cream of corn siya. Pero, ayun, wala dito. Wala akong makita. Ang ganda nung bukas nung evaporado nila. Pang coffee shop. It's condensed. Yung condensed, sure ako na mauubusin to. Tapos, so yung Brunos, ay, ang lasa niya ay parang caramelized cheese. So, mas matamis siya than the usual. Hindi siya proper grater. Ano ba to? Wala akong grater. Paki-sponsor naman ako. Let's continue with the cooking. I think I've grated enough. I'm heating. Binuksan ko na yung apoy for this. Pag mix na, saka bubuksan ng apoy. So I'm just following what my mama told me. It's alright. You were dancing in a bright light. Over the so sunshine. Now the sky is open light. Whoa, oh, oh, oh. Medyo lumalapot na siya. So, ang sabi, halo lang ng halo. Ala, may sumasabit na parts. Kita nyo yun? Nag-iba na yung itsura niya. Hindi ko alam kung yung paghalo ba dapat ay rigorous or mahinahon lang. Banayad. I think it's time. It's time. Lagyan na natin to. Kakalatiin ko muna yun. Ito yung uubusin natin. So, buo yung meron. Sana hindi siya mag-settle sa ilalim. So, it's a suspension. What if hindi siya magbuo? Okay, so I've been doing this for 7 minutes now. Feeling ko kailangang malumanay na lang. Para magbuo yung starch. Parang ang daming liquid. At ang dami nilang suspended particles. So magiging siyang corn soup. I will now put on the Brunos. Because medyo nagsi-thicken na yung mixture natin. Iniisip ko kung kailangan kong ilagay yung evaporada. Parang oo. Pero belated na siya. Konti lang. Pero kasi, wala akong ibang panggagamitan yan. Ilagay ko na lahat. Kasi lalagay ko na yung cheese. Tapos bahala na si Batman. Ay!
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Not on cam. Ako lang naman kakain dito. Kayo mag-alala. Ganyan yung itsura niya. This is familiar. Pero buo pa yung cheese. So, meron na tayong champorado. I think this is okay. I think okay na siya. Matigas na siya. Kailangan ko na ng lalagyan. Ay, nako! Ang daming nangyayari. Ang kapal tuloy ng mga blanca ko. Ganun siya kakapal. Sarap. I like it. Sana tubigas siya. Ang lala ng aftermath, kaya ayoko nagluluto. Be. Ang lala. I think it's a little bit successful. Lagyan lang natin ng toppings tomorrow. Tada! Thank you very much for the technology.
Approximately 10 hours later.
The morning after. Tubigas naman siya. Hi. So, it's the next morning. Guys, mo mga gamit. It's December 24. It's officially Christmas Eve. So, we're just gonna prep everything before we start cooking. So, mag-iwala tayo ng mga bagay-bagay. Lumabas na ako ng alas 7. Kasi wala akong grader. So, it's 7:42. Ang liliit lang ng carrots nila. Pero may nabili akong malaki than usual. Kung ano yung tinaba ng talong nila. Yung pinayat ng kanilang carrots. So, yung carrots ay para sa Shanghai at sa puso mo. Sa Shanghai at sa spaghetti. Tanong natin si ChatGPT. Nagawa tayo ng reaction video. Hi, hello. Dictate ko. I am making a YouTube video about the 2025 recap. Based on our conversations this year, please make a top 10 list of what I've looked into this year. In fairness, so sabi ni ChatGPT, love this idea for a 2025 recap video. Habang nagtatrabaho. Based on our conversations this year, here's a top 10 list of things you explored, planned, and worked on in 2025. Number 10. Your life in Norway. Your life in Norway. Gugugasang kami. Para sure. Number 10. Your life in Norway. Moving, settling in, understanding culture, handling the weather, and discovering everyday routines. Plus those cabin trips. Yeah, that's right. I often ask ChatGPT for... Wait, anything. See, ChatGPT ang number 1 ko. Aside from Reddit, si ChatGPT ang aking takbuhan tungkol sa life in Norway. So, nakadalawang cabin trips nga ako this year with different people. Tinanong ko din sa ano bang ginagawa sa cabin, anong kailangan dalhin. Number 9. Becoming a PhD scholar in Europe. That's right. That sounds right. So, preparing applications, managing imposter syndrome, planning timelines, and navigating academic life and supervisor meetings. I remember 2 months into the PhD, Tinanong ko si ChatGPT kung tama ba yung ginagawa ko. Pero sabi ni ChatGPT, okay lang daw yun. Number 8. Oslo Adventures and Seasonal Moments. Seasonal moments? Exploring events like Elvelangs, city walks, scenic viewpoints, and capturing Norway's nature across seasons. Yung mga blog post, usually ay outdated. Number 7, meal plan and nutrition and daily living abroad. I think dapat number 1. So, meal planning, Filipino food substitutions in Norway, grocery hacks, staying healthy while adjusting to a new home. So, kapag gumagawa ng recipe, tatanong ko si ChatGPT lang, can you make me a recipe of sinigang using Norwegian produce? So, magsasuggest siya ng mga alternative na gulay, pati yung Norwegian name. Number 6, short form YouTube and vlogging journey. Hindi naman to masyado. Sabi niya, we worked on video descriptions. That I would say yes. Storytelling angles. Not really. Voice and building your unique vlog identity. Parang hindi naman. Number 5, Europe travel dreams and big trips. Ang dami kong tanong sa kanya tungkol sa itineraries. Long Europe itineraries, Switzerland plans, budget strategies, and learning to travel slow and meaningfully. Tinanong ko ba yun? Unlike my experience in Asia, kapag Asia, meron ng route kasi 2 lang or 3 lang yung magkakatabi. Pero kasi dito, 5 magkakatabi. So, di ba alam ko alin yung best combination. So, yun. Pati yung trains, kailangan i-coordinate. Kasi sa Asia, wala namang train interconnecting countries. So, either you fly or you take a bus. Dito, ang daming options. So, medyo nakakalito siyang i-plan on your own. Number 4, Vietnam experiences. Tying yan stay, Hanoi plans, and exploring beyond the old quarter. Looking for more urban and authentic local vibe. I think I went to Vietnam early this year. March. For, I think, 10 days. It's northern part. Tinanong ko sa kanya yung mga pagkain. Kasi this year, it was my second time in Hanoi. I want to have a different experience than my first one. Pero hindi siya masyadong helpful about it. Parang same-same lang yung mga sinuggest. Number 3, East Asia getaways. Planning Seoul, Taipei, Hong Kong, and Macau trips. Optimizing budgets, experiences, routes, and vibes. Parang never ko namang plinano yung Seoul. Yung Taiwan, Hong Kong, Macau, that was for a family trip. Supposedly, pupunta sa Taipei kami. Kaso, wala masyadong gagawin doon. Yung Hong Kong naman, madaming gagawin, pero mahal. As in, mahal. Pero sa Hong Kong kami natuloy. Number 2, train travel and smart itinerary planning. Inulit niya lang. Kasi yun talaga yung dominant. Siya yung kausap ko kapag may bug ako to travel. So, deep dive into the European trains, interrail strategies, timetable, cost, and travel efficiency. Exactly. Number 1, you growing and thriving. Ang taray. Very celebrity. Confidence journeys, learning independence, building experiences, finding balance between ambition, personal life, and joy. I think may kulang dito. We had a lengthy discussion about if I should either go with Fulbright in the US or in Europe. As in, yun yung biggest decision na ginawa ko this year. At ilang beses kong kinonsulta si ChatGPT about it. Tapos, marami din akong tanong sa kanya tungkol sa fitness. Fulbright withdrawal application. Yung decisions for universities. UT Austin versus University of Florida. Ang dami kong ganun this year. Bakit wala? Paki-explain, ChatGPT. Maghiwa na tayo ng sibuyas at ng bawang. Wait. I'm cutting onions. Naiiyak na ako. Aray ko.
Itak-tak mo, itak-itak. Bakit ganyan yung action, no? Ng ketchup? Oo, no? Pagpaubos na. Oo, no? Alam mo yung ganun eh. Diba?
Curled leaf. Wala kasing flat leaf dun sa sa supermarket. Meron akong halaman. So, kunin natin yung mga matatanda. Wala naman siyang amoy. Ay, meron. Slight lang. So, it's 8. Labas natin to ng 9:30. Carrots, onions, garlic, and then may parsley. Be, puno na. Okay, lipat. Para mahalo ng mabuti. I'll put my favorite seasoning. Give me some mix. For the Asian flair. Vitlook. Nagre-record, hindi naman makita yung ginagawa. Ano ba? As salty as the sea. Oh well. Lagyan natin ng oil. Cooking oil. Now, we're gonna make a change for once in my life. Bacon muna. Who am I to be blind, pretending not to see their need? Cause I got nowhere to be. That's why I'm starting with me. Salt. Para daw magmantik. That's bacon fat. Bawasan natin ng kaunti. Then let's put our aromatics. Pwede? The twinkling of the lights is what I after. Kiss me on this cold December night. Oh, please just fall in love with me this Christmas. I'm here, I'm yours for the taking. Ay, mag-grate pala ng cheese. Pwede na. Since we've no place to go, Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Oh, all the way home I'll be warm. Tastes different. Luto na nagre-record. Kubatugin ako. Lagyan natin ng chili. Chili explosion. Pasta test. Not yet. Parang better to. Ang laki ng carrots. Making the breading mix. Walang all-purpose flour dito. So this is wheat flour. Paprika. Pero wala akong measuring spoons. So, tansya-tansya lang. Chili powder. Wala akong chili powder. Pero meron akong Cajun seasoning. My favorite. Medyo dadamihan ko. Kasi this is my favorite flavor. Lang ako measuring spoons. Garlic powder. Bake Pulver by Freya. Oops. More than na to.
A few moments later.
So, yung nagsombrero kasi ako sa labas. So, flat na ulit yung aking buko. We are back after an hour. At ng vinegar. Ay, ang dami. Wait. Malapit na yun. I think pwede na. Let's start. Ang sikip. Ayoko magbalot ng lumpia. Pero wala tayong magagawa. One. Napupunit siya kapag fino-fold. Oh, ang ganda. Tanguin na natin. Amoy kanto style. Last dish. Pagod na ako. So, I finished wrapping all the lumpia meat. Finally. So, this will be for 2026. So, I'll store this in the fridge. And this is weird. Hindi siya nagba-brown. Bakit ganun? Naluluto ba talaga siya? I'll just let it stay there and see if it will change color.
A few moments later.
Ang aking munting Noche Buena. Charing. Cookies from Bake Me Up. Spaghetti. Maha Blanca. Lumpia. And then may crispy fried chicken. Pwede na akong mag-lunch, maligo, at magpahinga. Ang sakit na ng likod. Merry Christmas!